Hello all, welcome back. Now in this video, I will show you how to use the iterator in collection. If you want to retrieve each and every element one by one, that you can do using the function that is iterator. So let me save this program as demo2.java. Now I want to show you the function that is iterator. Iterator is the function which is available in every collection, which returns an instance of iterator. So here you can say that iterator has the three methods. One is hasNext, next, and remove. So there are three methods of iterator. One is hasNext, next, and remove. HasNext is the function which returns boolean. If any element is available, then it will return true. If it is not available, then it will return false. And next is the function which is used to retrieve one by one element from the collection. Let me give you the demonstration so it will be easy for you guys to understand. For example, I am writing here c.iterator. Then this iterator function will return the instance of iterator. So you can write here iterator I equal to c.iterator. Now if you want to get the data, then you can simply write over here, that is while I dot has next. It means if next element is available in the collection, then one by one simply get the element. So you can write here I dot next. So if element is available in the collection, then it will retrieve one by one element from the collection. Here you can change the name of your class is demo2. You can save this. Here you can compile your code demo2.java and you can run this java demo2. See here you will be able to get each and every element individually over. That is 100, true, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 and all these things. Suppose if you think that, sir, I want to remove the element, then you can remove the current element using the iterator also. And for that, you can call the function I.remove. So that particular element will be removed. So this is the way you can use the iterator in collection. In the next video, we will explore something more about the iterator. So that's it from my side. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.